Cool. Hey guys, this is Steve from Dorahacks. Very happy to host today's Avalanche Asia Hackathon project demo session again. Like I think for the last few sessions, it has been Chris, my colleague, that's been hosting the previous sessions. Today, very happy to host project demo session again. Um, Avalanche Asia Hackathon is a hackathon co-hosted by Dorahacks and Avatar and the Avalanche team. It's a $6 million hackathon, which is great. We have seen, I think, 90 plus projects participating, the grant, and a lot of seed funding opportunities for those amazing projects. I think a lot of ventures and a lot of institutions have joined as partners for this event. So Avalanche has been one of the, I think, thriving ecosystems among all the layer ones out there. So very happy to see new teams joining Avalanche ecosystem via this hackathon. So today we have four amazing projects joining. We have Genki, we have letNFTin, we have TaleCraft, we have DoD Network. I think those four projects are essentially building on four different uh, sectors in the space. Before we start, let me just repeat the rules. Each project will have 7 minutes sharp to introduce the project. I think it'll be great for us to see your demo if you have that, which is crucial for this hackathon. Essentially, all the projects will be requested to deploy on Avalanche mainnet at the end of the hackathon. So if you have a demo, make sure you present that for I think at least 2 or 3 minutes. That would be really appreciated. 7 minutes for project introduction. Then we'll have 2 to 3 minutes for the judges to come in and have a live Q&A session for each project. So today's schedule will be Genki first, letNFTin second, TaleCraft third, and DID Network fourth. So without further ado, let's welcome Jeff, founder of Genki, to introduce Genki to us. Hi, Jeff.
Yes. Yeah, thank you, Stevens. Hello, guys. I'm Jeff from Genki. Yeah, it's an honor to be invited by Avalanche and Dorahacks today. And it's quite interesting. Before I do work with Dorahacks a lot, and previous from Binance, and right now I'm one of the participants. Yeah, so here to go to the main topic, I'm very excited to introduce Genki, new Web3 community on-ramp platforms. The idea is actually come from the problems I was in Binance merchants, and then during that time I need to help the projects, the app to grow their active user transaction and TVLs, but there is no like very good way to evaluate the on-chain user journeys, and that's why I start the ideas. Steve, can you put my sharing screen on? Yeah, cool. Yeah, and so here comes Genki, and I just want to walk everyone very quick through about our product structures. So this is the Genki smart contracts, and projects can come here to deploy their Quest on Genki. And then for the channels, including influencer, YouTube, or like the Twitter KOLs, they can when they see the good Quest, they can come here and register and get a referral ID, and later on they can mix with their content or like videos and then share with their followers. And when the users see, oh, this campaign is interesting, they can click in and to participate in the quest. And then who will verify the quest and then to store the relationship on chain? It will be the validator set in the button. And then this validator set will verify whether user completes the quest and then put everything on chain. So this protocol will start store a lot of marketing relationship in the long run. And I want to summarize the Genki architecture in three features. The first one, transparent. Based on the transparency, projects deploy the quest, and it will be easy for every channels just come here to pick the quest. That means the projects have the outreach in a global platform. And second, scalables. Every component here is self-service and is automatic, which means projects, channels, users can come here to interact with the smart contract, and then they don't need to ask for the permission of Genki, and this minimizes a lot of the manual check cost. And the third is the composables. Every component here can be composed with channels, can be composed with projects. For example, like if Avalanche want to host the annual event, they can use the existing quest. I will do the demo later and combine different quests together and make a campaign which can be tracked on chain. And for the projects, there is one protocol called Lens on Polygon right now. And for Lens protocol, from the creators, followers, the relationship are all on chains. And then if they combine with Genki, they can further track, these writers write an article on Lens about Uniswap, and his followers read the articles. And in 3 days later, the user really tried the Uniswap. And then these behaviors will be captured by Genki and then returns the relationship back to the content creators. To go through the decentralized steps, the final stages, we break it down into 3 phases. The first phase is Genki portal plus the Genki SaaS service. I will demo the Genki portal today. So this is the Genki portal. Here we pick Trader Joy and Benchit for our demo, which are 2 of the prominent projects on Avalanche. And when we click into this quest, we can view, this is and this campaign's time, reward, and descriptions. And then we can see the breakdowns of quests, swap any tokens on Trader Joy's. And when we click start, it will guide us to the Trader Joy pages. And then we just connect the wallets here. Yeah, and then I can very quick swap AVX to USDC. And after I swap, the validator set will start searching for my address if this address completes this quest or not. If the quest is completed, the status here will change from the not started to completed. And then it can be further tracked in our data dashboard. And it's not just it's just not just like that. The relationship we want to capture is also about the referral behaviors. For example, I'm the influencers or I'm the channel owners. I'm making a video to introduce the Avalanche, the Trader Joy's, and I can put this link under my contents, and then I create the referral link here, and then after my followers click from this referral link, and then it can be further captured by Genki, and the relationship can be tracked here. So this is the demo, and I can track who is the referrals and what is the task. And then to go on about the other SaaS service we want to make is similar to Gleam, but we want to have a Web3 versions, and it's actually look like this. So it's still based on the quest. We break down each quest into a task. And then, for example, Avalanche want to run the annual event. Then they can just aggregate different quests in a campaign page. And the campaign page can be made by Avalanche. And the Genki will provide the quest verifications. And then to go on to the second phase, we want to make a Genki matching platform. This matching platform is actually based on the relationship on the platform. So when the new projects come here, they can know, they can just browse the different channels, past records. These channels has recommended 100 people to use Uniswap. So this is a DeFi channel. And if I'm DeFi project, I can choose these channels. And if I want to choose the GameFi channel, I just browse on this marketplace. Oh, I found out this channel. So we will save the project's time. And at the same, on the other hand, we save the channel's time. They can just based on the open rules by the projects, defined by projects, and then they can just take the challenges. And then after they complete the like refer to their followers to complete the quest, they will earn the rewards. And then eventually it will come to the decentralized version of Genki. And we do write a code about the decentralized version, but we decide to come to the final stage in different stages. But if you are interested, you can check our code on our GitHub. Yeah, and the last things I want to share is that for every project, you can we will create a data base page for you. So if you deploy the quest on Genki, then you will have a data dashboard to track how many people visit the quest. It will be the impression. How many people completed? It will be the total participant and the referral relationship. And we can even break this down like based on different channels and can further track the users the behaviors, like 7-day retentions, 14 days retentions. Yeah, that's it for today. And then I do want, if you are watching the demo today, you can come and follow us, and we will release our beta test in 1 week. So come to join our beta test on Genki. Just search Genki Genki.io, and the website is the same, the Genki.io. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah. Return to you, Steve.
Yeah. Cool. Great presentation, Jeff. So yeah, welcome Peter and Jeff. Peter coming from Binance Lab, Jeff from Foresight Ventures. I guess we have 2 to 3 minutes. If you guys have any question for Jeff and Genki team. Yeah, Peter, you want to go first?
Yeah, I can go ahead. Yeah, thanks, Steve. Yeah, great presentation, Jeff. One question about so the quests that project post do they have to be on chain, like make a trade on the dApp, or it can be off chain activity like Telegram participation or like live stream viewership?
Right now we focus on the on-chain quest, but we are integrating the Web 2 one. So eventually here there will be multiple one. This will be the on-chain quest, and then others will be the social media quest.
Okay, and then for this off-chain like activities, like how can you make sure that your contract like tracks these activities?
So I guess for the off-chain one, it will be similar to what Project Galaxy done. We need to trust the projects, and then the projects upload their address on our contracts.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. Here to you, Jeff.
Cool. Yeah. The other Jeff from
Yeah, we
Foresight.
got.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeff. We got 2 Jeff today. So I just got a quick question. It's like, if I am a user for Genki, and after finishing all the tasks, how can you how can you make sure that I'm going to sticky on the platform, which means that I'm going to keep use the Genki platform?
Yeah, this is a very good question. I guess some users will leave, and then we didn't share the whole structures of how we are going to capture the user. So we will define the achievement system for the users. So for example, complete 10 dApps club, and then we will guide community members to complete the app wizards, and then give them some honorable NFT, and then gradually empower these NFT rights.
Thank you. That makes sense. So I'm thinking probably it is also works if you can put more higher difficulty task for the experienced user. Probably that's a way to figure it out.
Yeah. So based on the points, so for example, like follow Twitter is a very simple task, and then we can just have like lower points for like lower points for lamps, and then if we want to make a combo quest that will be like more complicated. For example, you need to accumulate it like 100 interest on bench. That will be a more complicated one. And for that one, we will value we will give more points to the users.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Awesome. Cool. I also have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead,
Peter. No worries. Just like I think we're running out of time for this one. But yeah, I guess we can always connect, Jeff. I also have some question for you on tokenization, but I guess we can connect after this live streaming session. Yeah, but also like one thing we do is that we will connect all the projects that the judges, if are interested in, keep talking to any of the project. We'll make a group for you after this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Awesome,
thank you,
awesome.
Steve. Thank you, the judges.
No, it's very fun. I think a lot of the Web3 projects essentially need marketing infrastructures instead of like working with all the other agencies. I think Jeff actually created a really interesting project. Yeah. So yeah, thank you, Peter, Jeff, for your amazing questions. Thank you, Jeff, for your presentation. Let's welcome Bart from letNFTin. You have 7 minutes.
Okay, I try share my screen. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see
okay. That. Perfect. Okay. Hi, I am Bart. I am from letNFTin, and I wanna introduce this project for you. At the beginning, I wanna tell you what problem I try to solve. The first problem is NFTs are useless. Many people think about NFTs like thing to price speculation only, but I believe that NFTs are more powerful and we can do more by NFTs than only price speculation and things like that. Another problem is on the market is no tools to post-sale communication with clients which buy NFTs. I want to mention about market size of NFTs, and in the previous year it was 40 billion, so the market is huge. Okay, so what is letNFTin? letNFTin is a web tool for NFT creators. NFT creators can use this tool to create some exclusive content for NFT owners. I would say letNFTin is something like a gate, maybe. Okay. So why I should use letNFTin? I can create elite communities by this on Telegram or on Discord, for example, and another protocol too. This exclusive contents connected with NFTs gives another reason why I should buy this NFT. So I believe that NFT creators can get more attention when create some extra content connected with NFTs. This is something like some kind of mystery for people. Many people get some I don't know, some surprise after buying something. This is very popular in modern games, I think. letNFTin allows create exclusive offers for NFT owners. So this allows create some dropped outs discounts for my current NFT clients, for example. And by this project, I can communicate with NFT owners. This is something like post-sale. Okay, now letNFTin supports 4 blockchains: Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon. I plan integrate into Tezos and Solana too, and many more, of course, in the future. Okay, so how it looks. On the left on the screen, I see the portal with exclusive content where I am an owner of NFT. On the right, I see the portal where I don't have a NFT. So now I wanna show you how I can create a portal with exclusive content. So, okay, now I have to select a blockchain. I choose Binance Smart Chain. Here I put contract address. Here I put the title. I can put URL. And here I can put exclusive content, which only NFT owners will see. Here I can put some URLs and links, for example, to Telegram, to Discord, etc. Okay, some problem here. Minus. Whoops. Okay, I have some problem on the server, but I will show you exists portal. Sorry, I forgot to connect my wallet. Sorry. Okay, so once again, here put contract the URL and exclusive content. Okay, so my portal is already done, and I can open it. Okay, so I see the content because my wallet has Polkamon official collection NFT. If I copy this URL here and I connect different wallet, okay, I see that I don't have access to this content because my wallet doesn't have Polka official collection NFT. So okay, so the future of this project, I plan to create email notifications to it will allow NFT creators send some notification to subscribers of portals. Next one is paid offer and web widget. Web widget allows put this portal into any website, and the fourth feature will be Telegram, Discord, Guardbot. Okay, business model is simple because it will be SaaS, software as a service. It will for new NFT creators. At the beginning, it will be free. After some number of subscribers, I want to offer a paid plan. Okay, that's it.
Great. Yeah, let's see if Peter, Jeff, if you have any question for Bart. Yeah, this time, Jeff, you want to go first?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Bart. I just got a quick question, like, if there is any function like you can partially see the NFT that is not belongs to you, because sometimes when I got an NFT, I want to see what is it, or before I purchase it, I want to generally know how it looks to have that function in the future. Then
Sorry, I don't understand the function. What you want?
Sure, no problem. So let me introduce more. Like when you are using the OnlyFans, you can partially preview what is going to be shown in that video or in that picture. So if you have that function in the future in your protocol.
I think it sounds possible maybe, but now I am not sure. So
Okay, sure, no problem.
Yeah, can I have a question about so just in terms of use case, right? Because you want to target the use case of post-sale communication between project and holders. So what do you think it's like, for example, now projects they usually just have like a Discord like sub channel with holders, right? Like people can verify their holdership via like Collab for example. So like what do you feel your product adds on top of the current offering?
Sorry, I don't understand the question too much.
So currently, because the project they manage post-sale communication via Discord, and they can verify like who really owns using tools like Collab, right? So they can have like a sub channel for the real holders. So do
you ask how I can verify this, or
no? My question is, so how does letNFTin add like additional value to what's currently on the market?
Okay, I understand. So I believe that people like join to some communities. So I without letNFTin, for example, I can or a different way. With letNFTin, I can create some exclusive community. Maybe I believe that, for example, if I would, if some popular celebrity would create some NFT, they could add into this NFT, for example, I don't know, chat with them on this Discord, on Twitter. So this gives many possibilities to I mean, by this tool like Discord, like Telegram, I see many possibilities to bring people into buy this NFT. For example, like I said before, popular celebrities can, for example, chat sometimes with NFT owners, and this could give some extra value connected to NFT. So this is only one possibility, but I believe that there is more possibilities like this here.
Okay, yeah, thanks, Bart.
Yeah, maybe one of the niche is that letNFTin is multi-chain. I actually am not that familiar with Collab, but I can see that Bart is trying to deploy letNFTin on Avalanche on a lot of the networks. Then maybe there are new NFT markets and new NFT communities, because I think most NFTs right now are on Ethereum. Maybe that's one of the ways. But do you have plans to go into non-EVM compatible chains ecosystem like Solana or other ones?
Yes, but there is some technical problem with Solana. But Ethereum and Layer 2 blockchains are easier to join into them. I mean, join next blockchain, because the whole code what I have is prepared for Layer 2 and Ethereum. So, but so I plan integrate into Solana, but this will take more time than integrate into next Ethereum.
Yeah. So essentially, Peter raised a very good question. Is that I think you built a really neat product. That's why I like it. There's already some products building similar features. So your next step should be how you can differentiate from them. What are some of the new features? Because there's a big opportunity, I think, when it comes to community governance, but there's also competition. So yeah. But in general, like your project, it's very very neat. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Bart. Thank you, Jeff, Peter, for amazing questions.
Thank you.
Yeah. Third project, TaleCraft.
Hey guys. Sorry if I look messy. I'm just in a hotel room in Barcelona because of the Avalanche Summit. I'm just so sleepy and all, but I'll just do my best.
Thank you so much. Yeah. You have 7 minutes.
All right.
Good luck.
So we are a project that launched 4 months ago on Avalanche, and we have funded by Avalanche and Blizzard. And basically, we are an NFT-based financial and a gamify project, but we use ERC 1155 contracts, so not exactly NFTs, but we use SFTs, semi-fungible tokens. And here's what we do. So every week, we are selling our chests, which obtains 4 elements, which are the basis of our all NFT series. So we want people to buy our chests to reach those NFTs with Craft token and also AVAX. So what we are doing with those tokens, we are burning the tokens that we just collected from the people, from the players, and we are distributing the AVAX rewards weekly to our players. So also they can play a board game with their cards too, and they can play it every day at 9 p.m. UTC +3. And so let me show you. Yeah, this is our board game mode. Right now I can't show you because it's only it will only be open at 9 p.m. because it's kind of like a tournament mode. So we want people to play the game in the exact same time as a tournament, and they will take their rewards as Craft token. So I want to show you first our website, our app. So this is the chest page. In every Saturday, we are selling our 10,000 chests to people, and they are using those cards that they just collected from the chest, which are four main elements. One of the 4 main elements. Every card, every SFT has its own formula to craft it. So let's just try water and water, and we are going to be able to craft the C card. And yep. Sorry, I just right now I guess it's on. Yeah, Avalanche. Yeah, so the craft was started. When you go higher tier cards, it's been more hard to craft them. It's been more expensive to craft them because you'll need much more cards than that. So what can you do with those cards? We are currently building a stablecoin farm too, and we want to use NFTs as financial assets from the first place. Yes, we have also a GameFi side, but I think GameFi is also a financial asset, using NFTs as a financial asset side. So we craftable will be integrated with Anchor protocol on Avalanche and Yeti Finance that they just they're just not live yet, but they will, and we have agreed with them. So users will stake their UST to mint CUSD, which is the Craft UST, and after that they will stake their CUST to Craft reward pool, and they will earn boosted APR, depends on their alchemy power. So alchemy power is the main thing on TaleCraft, which you can just earn alchemy power by staking your NFT or just staking your craft tokens. So when they earn boosted APR, depends on their alchemy power. TaleCraft's USD treasury will be staked to Anchor protocol to enlarge the treasury, and CUSD stakers will earn craft token with boosted APRs. So in this way, we aim to bring more liquidity to Avalanche and liquid staking to Avalanche. This is our new website that we are just building. We are planning to publish it in 2 months, and it will be also an NFT marketplace, which you can just sell and buy ERC 1122. So yeah, I guess that's all. I didn't need 7 minutes.
Awesome. That's actually very neat. Great. Yeah, Peter, Jeff, if you have any question. Yeah, Peter, you can go first.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks. Can I ask? Actually, I didn't get. Is the main product a P2E game, or it's more like a DEX?
What are you asking? The alchemy power?
Yeah, like the card game. Like what's the gameplay if it's a game?
Yeah, it is. But as I said before, right now it's not active because it will be inactive like in 4 hours. But yeah, it would be good if I can just show it to you guys. Wait a second, please. In this time, we can just move on, and I'll see if I can show you the board game mode too.
Yeah, we can just describe what's the genre of the game, or what kind of players you're looking to attract.
Yeah, it's basically a card game, and I just showed you the crafting mechanism that people just crafting to the higher tier cards, and it's so it's basically for 3 rounds, and people are it's player versus player, and they're just showing their cards to each other one by one turn, and they have 3 skills too, but I will just show you because it's a little hard to explain right now with talking. If it would be great if I can just show you. I'm sorry about this.
No problem. Yeah, and I understand. So my understanding is that people they buy like a blind box, right, using AVAX, for example, and then when people play against each other, they're looking to win the pot of AVAX from the sale of this blind chest, right?
No, the AVAX rewards are distributing weekly, depends on their cards alchemy power, so depends on their weight. If you have a more precious card, then that means you will receive more AVAX reward in that week. So in each week we collect AVAX, and in the end of the week we just redistribute it to players who just crafted most. The board game mode has the craft rewards, and in each round as just like a tournament mode.
And just last question from me. So where does the AVAX reward come from? Is that from the sale of these NFTs?
Yeah,
right?
From the sale of the weekly chests.
Got it. Thanks.
So we are burning the craft token, and we are distributing the AVAX reward.
Got it. Yeah, Jeff, you have any question?
Yeah, I think Peter has already asked some of my questions, and I just got another quick one. Like, what is going to be the pricing system for the NFTs? Like, if you keep burning the craft token, so I think the craft is going to be higher and higher, and if the NFT is pricing with the craft, so how should a beginner start with everything? So I'm just wondering what is going to be the pricing system.
Yeah, that would be great, actually. But we launched 4 months ago our token, and it didn't happen like that. So burning tokens was not enough to make the price go higher and higher. It didn't happen.
So the price is still basing on the craft token, right?
Yeah, it is.
Got you.
But the game is not expensive because we just burning crafts every week. Its impact is not that powerful. So there is no imbalance in here in the game right now.
Got you. Thank you. That's my question.
Great. Cool.
Okay, after we send you a video of our board game modes after this call.
Yeah, please do.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. You can share everything with us. I think please connect with the Dorahacks team member that you connected with and share everything you have. I also love to know more about your project as well. Great. Cool. Yeah, we'd love to know more about TaleCraft. Thank you for joining us from Barcelona. Hope you enjoyed the conference there. Yep.
Yeah, I did. Thanks for hosting me, guys. Bye.
Bye. Cool. Last but not least, we have Xenia from the ID Network.
Hi.
Hi. You have 7 minutes.
Okay, let me share my screen first. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Oh, let me try it once again.
No worries.
It's just okay before the meeting. Wait a minute.
No worries. Take your time. Yep.
Yeah, okay, now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm Xenia from DID Network. I'm really pleasure to give the demo here. And our project is DID Network, and we are building an open platform for decentralized identity. And for the vision of DID Network, we believe in with the development of Web3, there are lots of DeFi applications merge like social network and information flow. So we think simple wallet login is not enough. So we hope to build an open platform around the user's wallet identity and tap into the value of the on-chain data. And this is the architecture overview. And for the app layers, we have DID Passport, DID Auth, and the first-party apps developed by our side. And also, we will provide Soda SDK and API for the third-party apps to integrate with DID Network. And for the network part, we have DID SDK, IPA Oracle, and also dataset NFT. And we will support like Ethereum, Solana, Alpha, and also Avalanche and Near, etc. The main product metrics is DID Passport, DID Engine, and DID Network. For the DID Passport, it is a unified decentralized identity, and this is tied to the wallet, and it will contain the analysis results of all the on-chain behavior. Also, the users they can choose to which data is open to the public. So the ownership of the data is in the hand of the users. And And for DID engine, we analyze the transactions, and by analyzing these transactions, we will generate a complete user profile around the identity. And as I said before, we will hand the ownership of data back to the users. So we adopt the solution of off-chain computing and on-chain validation. And you can see the scheme of this. This is the technique scheme. We just handle this ownership of data back to the users. And for the DID network, it is an open platform, and it's based on DIDs. And we will develop some first-party apps, and also we will provide SDK and API for third parties to integrate, and we hope to build an open identity ecosystem together. And for the first-party applications developed by us, we will have on-chain credential system and also on-chain score for SHO. And for the third-party applications, there will be a lot of application scenarios. For example, the credit loan, advertisement, and other on-chain data related products. And also, we hope DID network can serve as the part of metaverse identity. Just go brief through the token economics. The DID token, the holders can give governance voting rights within the DAO, and also users can generate DID for free and then use the tokens to pay some value-added service like the referral program or receiving airdrops or generating SHO scores. Also, they can stake for third-party integration. And for the teams, we have very professional techniques, like, for example, our tech lead who works in Microsoft for a long time and is really experienced in big data. And our crypto lead is senior crypto engineer and the contributor to IPFS and developed decentralized swap protocol based on Zk knowledge, and he's really proficient in Zk knowledge and other stuffs or experienced in blockchain industry. This is the brief introduction of our products, and then I will give you a demo on our website. Okay, here you can see this is a website of DID network, and at the front page you have the explore page, and you can search for it. There is a search bar, and you can search for the DID and type in the DID, and you will see the information of this passport. And to see your own passport, you just connect with your wallet, and at the beginning, or when you just connect your wallet, you can add it to your profile. You can add it to your profile. You can have your nickname, age, gender, and here you can see you can choose to which of the information you want to disclose, like personal information, recent activities, and following followers. And once you create your passport, you can see this page, and this is the user's portrait. And at the left corner, there will be your picture and your nickname here. This is your own passport. And next part is the DGen score, credit score, and farming score. The 4% of DGen score and farming score is 100, and for the credit score is 800. And we just analyze all the on-chain data and produce this score based on our models. And this scores will help the third-party applications, third-party projects to filter the high-quality users, and they may give airdrops or whitelist according to these scores. And now here you can see the transaction stats here, and it's we just made the data visualization, and you can see very obviously how active or when when the user is active, and the information below is recent activity and also the transaction categories. And the transaction categories are divided into 5 parts, and you can also obviously see the user's transaction preference. And this is for the passport. And here we have the explore page. This is kind of like the social network. You can follow the people, or you can also see who is following you. In the middle parts, this is the recent activities of the people you follow. And for example, you may follow some KOL to see what recent transactions they made, or you can follow their transactions. And in the future, we will also the users, they can charge for those who follow them. And at the right part, we have the trendings for the users. And here you can see this is the ranking of each score. And the last part is the project. And you can see for we can just make our, as I said before, we have our first party applications, that is the credential system, and it will be here. And the third party apps can also get integrated with DID network, and they can get access to these data, and they can also use these data to do some refinement operations. And for the credential system, they can also have some like tasks to motivate the users. So I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Yep. Jeff, Peter?
Yeah, thanks, Zenia. Just one question about your token utility. Like, what are the different use cases for it, and yeah.
Token utility.
Yeah.
Okay. So, actually, we have a fee for the value-added service for users. Like, if you want to use our protocol to claim your airdrops or invite more friends to earn the profit, and you need to pay us some fee for buy our token. So although DID itself is free, but we will offer some services which can charge fees around the DID service. Also, the third party for the integration, they need to stake or pay our token to access the data, and we call it a data oracle, just like the Chainlink oracle. So we will provide both on-chain and off-chain data access to the third-party project. Thanks.
Got it. Yeah. Also a question about, can you elaborate a bit on your go-to-market strategy? Like, for example, are you going after
Yeah.
first or user first?
Actually, we have like a on-chain credential system. So we at the very first step, we need to cooperate with the other projects on Avalanche, and also we have a invitation system which can let users to invite their friends to claim airdrops, which we call it invite to earn. Also, we have a collaboration in like application layer, like Drop3. We can offer the data oracle to it. Also, like we we have a task system, so the project can set tasks on our protocol, and to gain the the users. That's also our flow, the users from. That's all.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi, Axel. So my question will be like, will you consider integrate with the Web2 platform and account with your DID networks? So I'm asking because some of the crypto users and the NFT users are strongly and closely connect their Discord, their Telegram, their Twitter with their Web3 addresses. So how you will think about that part?
Well, we think that in the first step we need to we can only integrate with the Web3 applications projects because because our data services all focuses on the on-chain data, and so I think in the early stage it's not very good for us to integrate with the Web2 applications. But I think in the future, when like you see our like a string application as for the demo, you can see we can like start from this to obtain the users from the Web2.
Got it. Thank you.
Thanks.
Cool. So yeah, Zini, DID network team, what are the next steps for the Avalanche ecosystem? Since I don't actually see many I think social graph or like data aggregation infrastructure for Avalanche ecosystem yet.
Yeah, actually, I think the ecosystem of Avalanche is growing faster and much bigger than before, and there will be very many like plenty of projects to focus on the DeFi or Web3 on Avalanche. We can cooperate with them to offer them with our data, because we are a data layer production. So if we can do this with the projects on Avalanche, I think it will be a win-win for both of us. So I think when the applications on Avalanche is growing more and more, it's better for us to integrate it with the Avalanche projects.
Got it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Xenia. Thank you, DID network team, for your kind presentation. Yep. So yeah, also thank you, Jeff, Peter, for amazing questions. I think those are very good questions that came out from you guys today. Yeah, thank you for joining us. So guys, I think that's pretty much it for today's project demo session. Yeah, essentially we can see many projects are joining the Avalanche ecosystem, and different projects are adding different value to the ecosystem. So yeah, essentially I think overall quality of the projects are pretty good compared with some of the previous hackathons that the Dorahacks co-hosted. So I want to say congrats to all the teams on making steady progress. Yeah, so yeah, essentially we will see. I think we'll have more project demo sessions to come in the next few days and weeks. As I think Avalanche Hackathon haven't like officially wrapped up, so I think there's still chance for you to participate. If you are a project builder, feel free to submit your project to the Avalanche Asia Hackathon. If you are an investor, also feel free to reach out to us to join our I think investor network that's been like curated by Avatar team and Avalanche team, and Dorahacks team is helping with that initiative as well. Yeah, so I believe a lot of the projects presenting today have their own social media and their own community. If you're interested in any of their presentations, I guess you can join their community, follow their socials, follow their Twitters to catch up with them on most recent updates. And if you really like what they have presented today, you can also go to Dorahacks.io to support them. We essentially allow you to directly contribute grants and donations to different projects. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I want to thank all of the 4 founders joining us today. I also want to thank Peter from Binance Labs and Jeff from Foresight Ventures for sharing their amazing views and questions with different projects. Hope you all enjoyed today's sessions. Thank you all for joining us today. Have a great one. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you all.